And I said this the other day at our expo, and I'm going to say it again today. I want you to leave here not just thinking about the future and wanting a seat at the table. I want you to leave here wanting to build the table.
Every opportunity is an opportunity to learn and challenge yourself. And I would go back and tell myself, just try it.
Be curious. See what it takes to get there.
Don't settle because of fear. I always knew I wanted to work in the industry. I don't know if it was more like being intrigued or having that curiosity.
Time flies. So as soon as you can start looking for something that you like, you can start as soon as possible.
The future